Welcome back, Spencer fam. In today's video, I will show you how we prepare a quick and tasty meal prep option. Here we have tricolor rotini pasta cooked in tomato sauce with ground turkey. If you've got this on your taste buds, stay tuned. Let's get cooking. There are many ways to defrost the ground turkey. We chose to defrost our turkey in a cold water bath, so to say. Once defrosted, you remove the ground turkey and place into a preheated skillet. Use a spoon to break up the ground turkey and stir well. Seasonings of your choice. Since grocery days are usually over the weekend for us, we're using what we have in the house. This is the fun part. You can season to your liking. Here are a few of the seasonings that we chose to cook with. Right, now that you've got that going, we can go ahead and add in your pasta. We love it al dente, so you want to bring your pot of water to a boil, then add in your pasta for about 9 minutes. Be sure to follow the rules on the back of the pasta box that you are cooking. Once finished, you drain the water. Pour in your pasta after draining it. There you have it, friends. Quick and easy meal prep. You can add in your greens, you can eat it with a side salad or as is, top it off with some Parmesan cheese. It is the perfect meal prep. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Enjoy!
Live it.